it's Sam here, and I'm going to show you what's inside kit number 51 from the Papercraft Society. I'll be completely honest, this one actually got delivered to my old house and I couldn't get it. So when this went on sale, I purchased it myself because I'm one of those people that has full collection syndrome. So if I don't have everything, then it bugs me. And this one's also been designed by a company that I don't have any other stamps and dies from, and it is a really lovely box, so I'm glad I've got it. And as I always say, my unboxing videos are never in like order of when Craft Stash release them. Mine are usually once they've gone out to subscribers, then there's open stock available, and I can kind of direct you there if it's something you're interested in, and direct you to the subscription page if it's something you want to look into and maybe consider subscribing to. So as always, the box shows you the colours and the theme of what's inside. So we've got this lovely like light aqua colour there, silver foiling, and then this one it says, if it doesn't move, stamp it. And this is by Unico. So I'm going to look in the envelope first, and then we can have a look inside there. And what's it got here? Bev. So Bev is I think the owner. I don't know too much, but there's all that information in the booklet, so we can have a look at that in a minute. So yeah, box 51, Unico. So if you share anything on social media, if you use the hashtag Papercraft Society, and that way the guys at Craft Stash can find your makes and maybe share them and get in contact with you. So it's always worthwhile doing. So yes, I saw this, and this is the main reason I wanted it. It's an absolutely stunning butterfly. Let me just show you there. Look at that beautiful design there. And then you've got these elements to build your butterfly. That's your outline, and then you can add all the different colours behind it. You've got a little pretty butterfly trail there, and then you've got a few sentiments: let your dreams be your wings and spread your wings and fly. But this is the one that I really want to play around with. I just think it's absolutely stunning. So you've got a lovely big stamp set there. You've then got your die set, and you've got the die to cut that out. And I want to do some partial die cutting with this one. You've also got this one here. Oh, I just realised there's the stamp sets. So there we go. You've got your die that will cut, yeah, this big sprig out here, and also cut that one out there. And then these will cut out some of the other flowers on here. So if I just show you this one. So this is going to be nice to build up a nice kind of scene for your butterfly to then go on top of. So thinking of you, your kindness means so much, just for you, and sending happiness. Easy images to colour in there. I love all the sprigs and things like that. I think they're fun to craft with. So you've got 2 stamp sets and a die set. Then here we've got specialty, feels like specialty card. Usually you get like your pattern papers and stuff if the designer does them. Each kit's always different, and that's the nice thing about these. I always say, I think if you're starting, you know, just maybe finding this card making, etc., kits are generally a good way to just kind of get a feel for what you like, rather than going out and buying like full collections or more of you know, more full ranges of one thing. With a kit, you've just got a little bit here of some stamps, some dies, cardstock, maybe some ink. Some of them are mixed media ones, so you get media pastes. Some of them have like more of a technique kind of focus. It's just a really fun way to try those out, and then you can then obviously look up buying more of it. So this is just a really nice thick card. Now it might be a specialty card, like watercolour. It doesn't feel like a watercolour. But again, it gives you all the contents in the booklet, so we'll have a look at that in a moment. But that's everything inside the pocket. And then in here, we've got a beautiful tissue paper. I love that pink. I always keep the tissue paper. So we've got our little water barrel brush applicator there, which is making me think that these are possibly watercolour pencils. Oh, my nibs come off there. I always sharpen them when I get them anyway, which is always recommended to do, so I'm not too worried about that. Oh, there's more dies. Oh, okay, so that's unusual. So we've got more dies there. So I imagine now there is a die for all of the stamps on this one. Yeah, because that's to cut that one. And then that one. The smaller one there. And then that's die for the butterfly. So you've, yeah, it looks like you've got a die for all of those flowers, apart from maybe a couple of tiny ones and these bits. So that's good. fact, I'll pop them. I'm going to pop them in with the others. Then we've got Cardmaking cardstock, and then we've got the booklet. So the card colours we've got here, so it's white core, and we've got, they're the two colours from the packaging. And we've got those deeper shades of pink, it's like an off-white, and then that vibrant green there. So we've got a nice variety of colours. So first of all, I want to see what the, so there's Bev, yeah, so she's the owner. I want to see what the cardstock was. So G, oh, it's watercolour cardstock. So it is, so it's a, it might be a hot press then, because it's smooth on both sides, and usually we use cold press, is like the most common watercolour card, and it has that grain, that more of that tooth on one side. So it's a really nice smooth cardstock, so that makes sense. So we've got here, D is a pencil pack, 5 watercolour pencils. And they're nice because although you've just got 5 colours, with watercolour pencils, you can get so many more colours, because once you add the water, they start to mix and blend. I'll show you that one there, which Bev's made. So she's stamped the background in probably white embossing powder, and added some of the detail there, and then that sentiment, which is really pretty. And then look at this one. I don't show all of them because I think it's a nice surprise for anybody that might be getting this. But look at that. So that has been embossed using acetates. That'd be a heat resist acetate, white embossing powder, and then it's been coloured in using a alcohol marker, I would imagine, because that looks like, or maybe a Sharpie. Actually, that could be a Sharpie because it's got a grey barrel. So that has been made using the stamp, just the one half of it, and then they flipped it. That's really clever. Really, really pretty. I like that one. And then one more idea at the back is just this one here, which is using that sprig and then all the other ones around it. Quite a clever way, and it's got some distressed background there as well on it. So that is everything inside box 51 from the Papercraft Society. All of these unboxings you can find in my playlist, which is coming up here. If you want to find out more about the Papercraft Society and subscription packages, check that out by clicking here, but I'll also have it individually linked in the description box below. And make sure you subscribe to my channel, and that way you won't miss out on any future videos. See you all again soon. Bye.